Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. Today I wanted to just sit down and have a little play around with some makeup, and this is basically what I came up with. It's just a cut crease kind of vibe with a glossy nude lip. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please subscribe, and if you want to know how I got this cut crease look, then keep watching. I've already done one eye because I had no idea what I was going to do, and this is what I've come up with. But now I know what I want to do, I'm going to talk you through how I did it, and then we can like move step by step. So the palette that I'm going to use today is the Revolution oh god, you can see my Roxy palette, and the first shade that I'm going to take is the shade Cocoa, and I'm going to take that just on like a defined brush. Next shade I'm going to take is Red Velvet, which is this one just here. And I'm going to use that to blend and smoke it out. The shadows are nice, they just have quite a bit of kickback, which it isn't like a problem, but just so if you were going to get it, just so you are aware. Just going back and forth kind of. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cut the crease. I'm just going to use the concealer that I pretty much always use, which is the Benefit Boing Concealer. How I like to do it is if I just get a little bit on like a flat brush like this. And then if you look up, should imprint, which it has, and then you just kind of join it on. That way, if you've never done a cut crease before, you know that that's kind of where it should go for your eye shape. Now, the colour that I'm going to take next is, it's two colours, a combination of Golden Hour and Constellations, which are these two colours here. And I'm just going to pop that all over that bit that we just concealed. And then just to finish it all off, I'm going to go in with the MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid. I have no clue what this shade is. Oh, yes, I do. Blinking Brilliant. I'm just going to go on with a little brush like this into the shade Cocoa, just to go in and define that little bit there. I'm just going to start off by moisturising my face with the Body Shop Vitamin E moisturiser, which is my favourite. Keep me moisturised. Find it hard to I've definitely put too much moisturiser on the top there. Find it hard to do everything when I've already done my brows. I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation again, just because I really like it. I'm not this brown at the moment, but I'm wearing a turtleneck, so no one will know, darling. Nobody needs to know. As long as I just blend it properly, we'll be fine. For concealer, I am going to take the same as I always do, like I did with my cut crease, which is the Boing Cakeless Concealer from Benefit, my favourite. Just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. I'm going to try the Primark Loose Mineral Powder. It's buildable coverage, it says, matte finish and oil free. Fabulous. I got the shade Nude. I've never tried anything from Primark. If you want me to do like a video testing Primark makeup, let me know and I can get down there and try some more things out. Just gonna set my under eye. So far I like it. For bronzer today, I'm just going to use my Hoola by Benefit. For blush, I'm going to use a Smashbox blush, which comes in this little set that I got. I'm just going to use a mixture of these two. Oh my god, my hair. And for highlight, I'm just going to use, that's Alexa. And for highlight, I'm going to use MAC Soft and Gentle. Now I need to finish off my eyes. I'm going to go back in with the little shady brush and the shade Cocoa underneath my eye. I'm going to use Bad Gal Bang by Benefit because I want my lashes to be really nice and full. I'm going to go in with the Body Shop lip liner, just a nude one. Top, I might use this Clinique gloss that I got in the shade Adore You. This one, just to go over the top. Oh, that's so nice. So guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I just wanted to have a little bit of a play around, to be honest. I had no idea what I was going to do, but I came up with this little cut crease thing. So I'm pretty chuffed with it. If you want to see any more videos in particular from me, please just let me know and I will film them for you. Other than that, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.